Nio continues to strengthen its presence in the premium electric vehicle market with the official reveal of the third-generation 2026 Nio ES8. For clarity, it is 181mm longer and 21mm wider than the previous model. With a length of 5,280mm and a wheelbase of 3,130mm, it provides dimensions that facilitate the opulent six-seat layout, focused on the comfort of rear passengers. Compared to the previous model, the instrument panel now features a panoramic digital display that runs the width of the dashboard. It is complemented by a floating central display and an updated Nomi AI assistant, as seen in the flagship Nio ET9. A redesigned center console provides additional storage for travel essentials, along with a hidden refrigerator and wireless charging pads. The rear cargo space can be leveled when seats are folded, and the interior color themes extend to the boot, emphasizing cohesiveness. Built on a 900-volt high-voltage architecture and a 5C ultra-fast charging, the new ES8 supports 600 kWh DC fast charging and can add more than 250 kilometers of range in 5 minutes. The car also supports battery swap technology that replaces a depleted battery with a full one in 3 minutes. The new Nio ES8 retains its dual electric motor system, delivering a maximum power output of 697 horsepower. It will use a 102 kilowatt ternary-lithium battery and offer an estimated 635 kilometers of range on the CLTC test cycle. Meanwhile, pre-orders are scheduled to open on August 21st, with commercial launch and customer deliveries starting in September in the Chinese market, before expanding to global markets.